Why I create videos even when nobody is watching. My name is David and I'm a freelance web developer currently filming here from Seoul, South Korea as I'm doing some traveling throughout Asia and usually I like to do these walking but my gimbal was malfunctioning today so filming from my iPhone right now. Hopefully I can hopefully once it's all charged up it works fine. But until then I'll filming from my iPhone. And I wanted to create content to grow my brand, to talk about tech, to talk about all the things that I've learned along the way from tech to hopefully help other people. And I was inspired by doing 75 hard, the idea of doing something consistently every day, just focus on the process. And I was able to do 75 hard, which is more of like a diet exercise, sticking to a diet, working out twice a day, and a couple other protocols. And then I've also was also inspired by David Goggins on how you want to toughen your mind, make your mind tougher, and creating videos, putting videos out there. It's outside my comfort zone, and I'm doing it a way too where there's no edits, so I can't hide behind my edits. I can't hide behind my thumbnails. It's just me and my thoughts. And I've been making videos consistently every day for almost 2 months now, and I just want to share with you my thought process because I've been making videos in different niches, and to no luck, I never blew up. None of my videos ever went viral or so forth in different fields like photography, promoting, and then I'm trying again with tech as that's my current pursuit. And whenever you change, like what I'm doing, like people stop viewing. Unlike when you start from scratch, you start at zero, but when you change around, you can go down. And that's what's happened to my views on LinkedIn as well. I've been posting all my videos on different platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and yeah, on my LinkedIn, my LinkedIn impressions just went straight down. Uh, on YouTube, it's kind of on and off. Some videos gets more, but there's no big. None of my videos has been a big hit, and so forth. And I've tried content creation before, but ultimately give up. And how I'm approaching it differently is that I want my views to tank. I want no one to watch. Like not actually want, but I want it to happen so I can stop getting attached to the outcome. Stop getting attached to the amount of likes, the amount of views, the amount of comments, and just start focusing on the process. Because I think that's key. Because in any endeavor like fitness and coding, you have to start enjoying the process before you get the result. And you're gonna be doing the process for a long time before you get the result. Yeah, for me, when I was dieting, I had to be dieting for a long time before getting the results. 75 days as in a challenge for coding before I was getting paid at all for my coding skills. I had to do a long amount of coding sessions, and if I didn't start liking coding, I probably would have given up. So I need to do the same concept with content creation. I need to start making videos every day. I need to make it a habit. So I have this urge to create videos. I have this urge to think of creative ways throughout my day to, I can make a video out of that. And just not get that like fear, getting attached to the outcome, worry. I don't want to get it to affect me, and I just don't want to care about it. So by focusing on creating videos every day, I hope to like not get attached to this and just enjoy the outcome, not enjoy the process. better. Oh, sorry, like the guy that walked by me kind of threw me off guard because he walked kind of close. And yeah, so that's what I hope to do. I just want to toughen myself by creating videos, be able to express my thoughts on my own without having anyone else to have a conversation with, have a dialogue with, that I could bounce ideas with. It's just me monologuing. No edits, just monologuing so I can practice communicating my thoughts out. Focus on toughening myself, not worrying about the likes, the engagement, which will ultimately help me in the long run finally break through. So that's my thought process. Instead of focusing on the best practices of content creation, of having good hooks, good jump cuts, my strategy has been to focus on building the habit so it becomes easier, so don't give up, and then stripping away things that create friction of it so I can make habits often, consistently, and at scale. So that's all I want to share with you. If you struggle with content creation too, I want to encourage you to not worry about having the best videos, but focus on consistency over everything else. There was one YouTuber I saw that got me thinking like that: consistency over fancy edits, quality production video, quality speaking. Just focus on consistency, because I think that's like the fundamentals that you can have, because not all videos that are popular have like these fancy edits, but they have good storytelling, they have good consistency, and that's what I want to focus on. So keep that in mind if you have ambitions of having an online business and want to do content creation as well. If you need help with freelance, with web development, I'm a freelancer, so feel free to message me about a project and I can see if I can help. And if you're also trying to learn how to code and you're an aspiring web developer, I offer coaching as well, where I work with you one-on-one to see where you're at, and I'll personally give you feedback, give you guidance, give you projects to do that will help you on your career as a web developer. Thank you so much for watching.